Hi there, my friends. My name is Vladimir, and you are on Russian
Russian trader, feel his Russian style.
Before we move on to the trading, make sure you leave your thumbs up, cause you definitely will like what's happening here, guys. We will make real money today. First, trading pair, which is US to. Yes, let's so here basically let me explain. Right now I'm opening a buy trade, so here we are in an uptrend at the moment. So here the uptrend has started. So we broke through the middle line of the Donchen channel right now, which is a very strong level of support or resistance depending on where we are at the moment. So right now it was a resistance level. We broke through this channel and we are waiting for a move higher, so the option is up basically right now. So if you also take a look at the arrow, you will see this red line slowly falling down, which means that the sellers powers getting more weak and weak, you know. So here basically these two main indicators, the first one indicator you should pay attention to is this middle line of the channel, okay? So it's very clear here. By the way, if you want to get yes, we got our trade close, $268. Great. So we broke off the support level here, so we are expecting an approach to the middle line of the channel right now, to this very strong level, okay? So the uptrend has started and the option is up at the moment. So if you take a look at the arrow indicator as well, you will see the red line on top, which means that there is still much selling power on the market, but I'm pretty sure that right now the price will grow up. The price will grow up because we already broke through this very strong level of support, okay? So right now we are moving closer to the middle, and let's just be patient, guys. Be patient, it's a golden rule of a trader, and wait a little bit to see what's happening. Actually, we are already higher than the place we opened the buy trade right now. So yes, we got a trade closed, $555. Make sure you leave your thumbs up if you like what's happening there on the screen. Right now I'm opening a sell trade here, as you can see. So there was a rebound from the upper line of the channel. As you can see, we expect a breakdown of the middle line right now. A breakdown of the middle line right now and further downward movement. So if we break down this middle line, which is very strong level of support right now at the moment, if we break it down, this will mean that the trend to going down will continue, okay? That's why basically we will wait for the further downward movement. So the option to short right now at the moment, and yes, pretty clear situation actually right now. So yes, let me quickly remind you about my Telegram channel. There you will find not only useful information about indicators, about strategies and stuff. There you will find trading signals, what's more important, because as I always tell you guys, one of the most important things is to know when to trade and when to open a trade, okay? So trade closed. Great, $1,000. How do you like it? I'm opening a buy trade at the moment. As you can see, the asset here is trying to get into accumulation at the lower boundary of the channel right now, okay? So we expect a pullback right now and the move up. So we expect a pullback from this, you know, lowest line of the support level right now. We expect a pullback and a move up. So as it is oversold already, and we expect the option to go up at the moment. So if you take a look at the arrow indicator, and if you will be considering it in the nearest future, I mean like 5 minutes for example, or even less, you will see these lines, red one which is on top and green one which is at the bottom. They will start you know, to change their directions, and once they intersect they will go this way, okay? So right now we already see the price is oscillating still, which is okay for high volatility markets, but we already start to go up slowly, okay? So don't how to say, don't be nervous, guy, just be patient and everything will be cool. So right now we see the price falling down, and that's okay. So yes, we got a trade closed, $1,800. How do you like it, guys? I'm about to open a sell trade at the moment here. What can I say? We broke through the middle line already. We broke through the middle line of the channel with a paranormal candle, as you can see, twice the size of a normal candle right now. You see, it's huge, guys. It's huge, just like my videos about trading. What can I say? So we observe a pullback at the moment. So in such a case, there is a downward movement as a rule. Okay, so we got the short option. So the price has tried to break out this middle line and then go up, you could think, but no. As a rule, in such situations, the price will go down and we will see a pullback on the auction. So once again, all these strategies and tactics and this, for example, this situation is kind of rule on the market. So all this golden stuff you will find on my Telegram channel. So make sure you at least take a look at what's happening over there, because this will be very helpful for you. Great, we got a trade closed. Wonderful, $3,000, guys. Well, I guess it's pretty good for the beginning of a trading day. We are on trading right now for less than 8 minutes. How do you like it? Less than 8 minutes, we are already earned more than 3,000 bucks. So here right now I'm open to sell trade. Let me explain you. We locked under the middle line of the channel below, okay, and we expect further decline right now. So we expect further decline, so therefore we got the short the option right now, and that's why we're opening a sell trade at the moment. And if you take the iron indicator as well, you will see that the trend is going down slowly. And yes, right now, wow, you see this is a huge candle as well. So but that's okay, that's normal for high volatility markets, of course. But here's a huge candle here. Also kind of normal situation for the market. If you have enough practice, you will see all these, you can even predict all these situations happening on the market, okay, once you see, for example, that we break through the middle line of the channel or something like that. So right now, yes, trade closed, 5,790 bucks. Pretty sure, I think it's pretty good. Open a buy trade here. So we moved away from the lower channel boundary here. As you can see, a lower channel boundary, which is very strong level of support. So we moved away from it, and we expect further upward movement right now and the breakdown of the middle line. We expect the breakdown of a middle line here because this down channel border of the channel is very strong level, and once we haven't succeed to break it out, we will be in a pullback, which is very strong, which means a very strong upward movement of the trend overall. So the trend is about too long, and right now we will break the middle line, okay. So that's basically what's happening here on the screen right now. The price is trying to break out this middle line of the channel, okay. So there is a huge buying power on the market right now, and basically, yes, basically all we need to do is to wait. So guys, if you like what's happening there on the screen, if you find this information useful, which is of course useful, so if you don't want to miss my future videos, just make sure you leave your thumbs up and to make sure you subscribed, okay. So while I was talking, we got a trade closed, more than 4,000 bucks right now. Right now I'm about to open a sell trade, and here it is very clear situation, guys. Very clear situation. Right now we expect a pullback after a strong non-stop growth. You see, these were huge candles before, huge candles. We moved straight from the down boundary of the channel straight to the top boundary of the channel. It was abnormal division, let's say so, and after that we expect a strong non-stop, we expect downward movement right now, and instrument in local is just overbought. You can do nothing with it, okay. It's overbought, so the option is down right now. So yes, we already moving down slowly, and that's also one of the tactics of trading. Very clear situation here on the market. So you need a little bit more practice, guys. If you don't see these situations yet, you need more practice, and you need to consider all these indicators, okay. So, and you will find all this information in my Telegram channel, which is down below. So just hit the link and you find everything there. Great, we got a trade closed once again. Perfect. Yes, make sure you leave your thumbs up, make sure you are subscribed and you got the notifications on not to miss my future videos, cause here we are making real magic, you know. And make sure also to hit the link for my Telegram channel. There you will find more useful information about trading, indicators, strategies and stuff, absolutely free. And thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video.
Russian trader, feel his Russian style.